A comprehensive introduction to digital marketing for beginners. Introduction to digital marketing. Digital marketing is the use of digital tools and technologies to promote brands, products, or services. It can be used to generate leads and sales for a business. Digital marketing is one of the most powerful ways to reach customers in the modern era. It has grown in importance over time due to technological advancements and consumer behavior changes. Digital marketing channels are now more important than traditional marketing channels because they provide companies with information about their customers' behavior that they would not have otherwise had access to. Digital marketing is a way of using digital technology platforms such as social media, search engines, email, and text messaging to market products or services online. The goal of this type of advertising is typically either lead generation, getting people interested enough in your product or service, or conversion, getting people who are interested to actually purchase your product or service. Lead generation is typically used to drive traffic back to the website and increase revenue. Conversion advertising is typically used to drive people directly from the landing page onto an order form. A company might use both types of ads on its website depending on what they hope will have a greater impact, lead generation or conversion. Digital marketing solutions for your business. Digital marketing is a powerful tool that has the potential to grow your business. It allows you to reach customers on a global level and it is cost-effective. This section will introduce you to the different digital marketing solutions available for your business, including social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, video marketing. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is a digital marketing strategy that uses platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube to build relationships with customers. It allows you to promote your brand or products for free by engaging with followers. You can also increase brand awareness through contests, giveaways and endorsements. Search engine optimization, SEO is a technique often used by companies in an attempt to increase their web presence and traffic. This can include natural things like creating a vibrant company blog, blogging, or reaching out to influential people in the industry for mentions on social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. Search engine optimization. SEO is a technique often used by companies in an attempt to increase their website's ranking in search engine results. SEO can be done in the form of website design, backlinks, and various other digital marketing tactics that promote a website. Content marketing is the process of creating and distributing content that is specifically designed to attract customers and grow a business audience. It's typically found on blogs, web pages, social media channels or other digital content assets. The term was coined by Scott Stratton and Jay Baer in 2009. Customer development is a process of getting customer feedback and market research to develop new ideas, features and strategies for an organization. It is used in the product design process to help create more effective products with built-in customer needs for future growth. In contrast with traditional marketing. Email marketing, search engine optimization. Google AdWords email marketing is the most popular digital marketing solution for businesses. It is easy to manage and relatively inexpensive. The main goal of email marketing is to build customer relationships online. With email marketing, the company sends personalized messages to customers based on their behavior, information that they share with the company, and time spent on the site. The most effective email marketing campaigns integrate the customer's website with their email messages. For example, follow-up emails are sent to customers who spend a lot of time on a specific page. An email subscriber is any individual who has subscribed to receive a company's emails. Video marketing. Video marketing is all about marketing your brand, point of sale, products or services through video. There are a number of ways video marketing can help your business: increase website traffic, increase sales, build trust with customers and prospects. The best way to start video marketing is to come up with a plan. This includes defining the target audience, creating a budget and deciding on the type of video you will produce. As long as you have a plan in place, it will be easier to create your first video. It's important to keep in mind that your strategy should change as your company evolves and grows. If you're looking for a way to reach your audience and make an impact, then video marketing is the solution. Customers find videos more engaging than other types of content, and they'll stay on your page longer to watch it. Social media is another great way to reach customers as well as a way to generate leads.